Hello friends, welcome to third online video lecture. Myself Ashok Pise, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Dada Patil Mahavidyalaya Karjat, District Ahmednagar, affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune. Today we are going to discuss about reactions of alkenes. Last lecture we have seen first three reactions of alkenes. The fourth reaction of alkene is addition of H2SO4 involves the addition of hydrogen atom and HSO4 group across the carbon-carbon double bond, and this addition of H2SO4 takes place according to Markovnikov's rule. The negative part is attached to that carbon which having less number of hydrogen atom, and therefore ethylene react with H2SO4 to form ethyl hydrogen sulfate, and this ethyl hydrogen sulfate then readily hydrolyzes to ethanol. First example is ethylene react with H2SO4 to form ethyl hydrogen sulfate, and ethyl hydrogen sulfate then hydrolyze to ethanol and we again get H2SO4. The fifth addition reaction is addition of H2O, and this addition of H2O is also known as hydration of alkenes. Hydration means addition of water molecule across the carbon-carbon double bond of the alkene molecule. For example, ethene react with H2O in presence of phosphoric acid at 300 degrees Celsius and 60 atmosphere pressure to form ethanol. In the presence of acid, the formation of alcohol takes place. And this addition of H2O also takes place according to Markovnikov's rule. Here, addition of water to the asymmetrical alkene such as 2-methylpropene react with water molecule in presence of acid at 25 degrees Celsius to form tertiary butyl alcohol. Negative part of the addendum is attached to that carbon which having less number of hydrogen atom, and therefore here OH minus is attached to more substituted carbon atom and hydrogen is attached to the less substituted carbon atom, and so we get a tertiary butyl alcohol. Next example, propene react with water molecule in presence of acid to form 2-propanol, and H plus is used as a catalyst. The mechanism of acid catalyzed hydration of alkenes, it involves three important steps. First, the protonation to form the carbocation. Here, 1-propene react with H plus to produce the secondary carbocation, and secondary carbocation is more stable than the primary carbocation. And second step is the addition of H2O to form the protonated alcohol. Here, the water molecule attached to the positively charged carbon atom to form the protonated carbon atom, and next step is the loss of proton. When the hydrogen from OH2 group is lost to form the 2-propanol and H plus, and H plus is used as a catalyst. Next reaction is hydroxylation of alkenes, and this hydroxylation is used for converting the alkenes to glycol, requires adding a hydroxyl group to each end of the double bond, and hydroxylation reagents are osmium tetroxide, potassium permanganate. These are used as a hydroxylation reagents. First example, alkene react with osmium tetroxide or KMnO4 in presence of H2O2 to form the glycol. First example is ethylene react with KMnO4 in presence of OH minus at cold condition to form 1,2-ethanediol plus MnO2. Second example is propene react with KMnO4 aqueous in the presence of OH minus cold to produce 1,2-propanediol plus MnO2, and this is known as Beer's test. Next reaction is oxymercuration demercuration. Oxymercuration means mercury get attached to the less substituted carbon atom and OH minus to the more substituted carbon atom. And demercuration means mercurial compound is not isolated, but it is simply reduced by sodium borohydride to corresponding alcohol. Here, the OH minus and H plus forms the acetic acid, but here these mercury compounds get attached to less substituted carbon atom, and hydrogen is more substituted, OH is more substituted carbon atom, and forms mercurial compounds. And these mercurial compounds then oxidize by using sodium borohydride to produce the 2-propanol, that is alcohol. The next example is 3,3-dimethyl 1-butene react with mercuric acetate in presence of water molecule to produce a mercurial complex, and this mercurial complex then reduce to the alcohol. These are the examples. First, 1-methyl cyclopentene react with AgOAc twice in presence of water molecule to form the mercurial complex, and mercurial complex then reduced by using sodium borohydride to form the alcohol. Next example is alkene react with mercurial compound in presence of water molecule to form the mercurial compound to produce the alcohol. And last example is phenyl compounds containing the alkene group which react with mercurial acetate in presence of water molecule to form mercurial compound, and mercurial compound then reduce to the alcohol. Next reaction is hydroboration oxidation. Diborane attached to itself to the carbon with a more number of hydrogen atom, and hydrogen attaches itself to the carbon with a less number of hydrogen. The first example is propene react with diborane in presence of THF. Boron get attached to that carbon which having more number of hydrogen atom, and hydrogen is attached to more substituted carbon atom, and this compound then hydrolyze to produce the alcohol and BOS thrice. Next example is 1-butene react with diborane in presence of THF to produce the boron complex, and boron complex then oxidize in presence of NaOH to produce 1-butanol plus boron hydroxide. These are the some examples. First example is 2-methyl-1-propene react with diborane in presence of THF to produce the boron complex, and boron complex then oxidize in presence of NaOH to produce 2-methyl-1-propanol plus boron hydroxide. Then next example is 2-methyl-1-propene. Here with BS3 twice in presence of THF to produce the boron complex, and then it react with H2O2 in presence of NaOH. Oxidation takes place to produce 2-methyl-1-propanol. Next example is substituted alkene react with diborane to produce the boron complex, and then oxidize to produce the alcohol. Then next reaction is ozonolysis of alkene. When alkene react with O3, ozone, to produce first ozonide, and this ozonide then oxidize or hydrolyze in presence of dimethyl sulfide or H2O or zinc in acid to produce aldehydes and ketone. The next example is 3-nonane react with ozone to produce ozonide, and then it hydrolyzes in presence of dimethyl sulfide to produce 2 molecules of aldehyde. Next example, this alkene react with ozone in presence of dimethyl sulfide, formation of compounds containing one carbonyl group and second aldehyde group takes place. Next reaction is the reaction of alkenes with hot acidified KMnO4. Here, by using acidified KMnO4, alkene reacts with KMnO4 in presence of acid. First, the formation of diol takes place, and this diol then further oxidizes by using sodium periodate to produce the ketone plus carbon dioxide plus water molecule. Let us consider 2-methyl propene react with KMnO4 in presence of acid and sodium periodate to produce propanone plus carbon dioxide plus water molecule. Last point is uses of alkene. When ethylene oxidizes to produce acetaldehyde, acetaldehyde further oxidizes to produce acetic acid. This is first application. Second application, ethylene on chlorination gives dichloroethylene. This again react with NaOH to produce phenyl chloride. This is second application. Third application, ethylene react with H2O as a catalyst to produce ethanol. Next application, when ethylene oxidizes in presence of Ag catalyst to produce ethylene oxide, and ethylene oxide react with H plus to produce glycol, that is ethylene glycol.